Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to resolve if Explorer.exe is not starting when your Windows 10 computer starts. So I imagine this could definitely be a frustrating issue, and in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to hopefully resolve that without too much of a hassle. And we're going to go ahead and jump straight into it. So first thing we're going to go ahead and try here would be to go right click on the taskbar or do Control Alt Delete. So if you're unable to actually access the taskbar, you can just tap Control Alt Delete on your keyboard at the same time. So those three keys, again, tap them all together, and then you can select the task manager from this list. You can select the File tab now and select Run New Task. Type in Explorer.exe and checkmark where it says create this task with administrator privileges and select OK. And then hopefully I should have been able to resolve the problem there, guys. Another thing we can go ahead and try here would be if we close out of here, open up the start menu, type in CMD. Best result should come back with command prompt. Go ahead and right click on that and select run as administrator. If you receive a user account control prompt, go ahead and select yes. Now into this elevated command line window, I want you guys to type in SFC followed by space /scannow. Scannow should all be one word attached to that / out front. So again, SFC space /scannow. Hit enter on your keyboard to begin running this command. It will take a couple minutes to run, so please be patient. Okay, so once that's done, you can see it did find corrupt files and successfully repaired them. I would recommend closing out of here and restart your computer, and once that's done, hopefully your issue should have been resolved. So pretty straightforward process, guys. Do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.